Samantha with her mother. Nayanthara with her mother. Sriya with her mother. Tamanna with her mother. Hansika with her mother. Rashmika Mandana with her mother. Pooja Hegde. Srileela with her mother. Kriti Shetty with her mother. Sai Pallavi with her mother. Amalapal with her mother. Sneha with her mother. Kartika with her mother Radha. Kajal with her mother. Shruti Hassan with her mother. Bhumika with her mother. Meena with her mother. Ileana with her mother. Neha Shetty with her mother. Nidhi Agarwal with her mother. Anushka Shetty with her mother. Ramya Krishna with her mother.